क्या हो अगर हमें कोई ऐसी टेक्निक या कोई ऐसी सिंपल प्रैक्टिस पता हो दैट कैन मेक आवर लाइफ अ लिटिल मोर हैप्पियर, healthier and more resilient. Something that can really improve our self-esteem, relationships and even help us sleep better. So what's the secret to a happier life? Watch this video till the end and I know you won't regret it. So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss that why expressing gratitude is so important in our lives. Is there any scientific reason behind it? What is the benefit of this? How can we express gratitude and what are the misconceptions about expressing gratitude? So in this video, I'll cover all of these topics. So let's get started.
यूजुअली हर चीज़ के पीछे एक साइंटिफिक रीज़न ज़रूर होता है कि वो क्यों और किस तरह से हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है। उसी तरह ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करने के भी पीछे साइंस इन्वॉल्व है, बिकॉज व्हेन वी एक्सप्रेस ग्रैटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स द थिंग वी आर थैंकफुल फॉर, आवर ब्रेन रिलीजेस केमिकल्स लाइक डोपामिन दैट मेक्स अस फील हैप्पी और एक्साइटेड. It's like a reward system in our brain. Second one is serotonin, which helps us stay calm and relaxed, and it reduces stress and anxiety. Third one is endorphins. These chemicals are like natural painkillers. They can help us feel better when we are stressed, sad or hurt. Dr. Robert Emmons, a leading researcher on gratitude, found that people who practice gratitude have better physical health, a stronger relationship, and more resilience when they face challenges. Now, what are the benefits of expressing gratitude? Well, when we talk about the benefits of expressing gratitude, there are so many of them. But still, I'll share 5 benefits that will really help you to understand the concept. When we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, तब हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो जाती है. एंड इट रिड्यूसेस स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी बिकॉज अब हमारा फोकस पॉजिटिव थॉट्स की तरफ ज़्यादा होगा rather than the negative ones. It also helps us rewire our brain to be more optimistic and resilient. You won't believe me, but gratitude is linked to better physical health. For example, blood pressure, because gratitude improves mental health and reduces stress. It also reduces chronic pain, and we even have a better sleep quality when we reflect on gratitude before bed. And it gives us a better rest and recovery from the previous day. Gratitude also helps us in increasing productivity because ये हमारे फोकस और क्रिएटिविटी को भी काफी इनहेंस करता है. और जब हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज होगी तो we can prioritize what's truly important and it leads us to greater achievements. जब हम किसी चीज के लिए थैंकफुल होते हैं तो it really increases the frequency and intensity of our positive emotions like joy, happiness or contentment. So your mind will have ample positive thoughts and emotions. When we start to focus on gratitude, it can really broaden our perspectives, and now we can understand the struggles and challenges of other people and appreciate them. So it increases the level of empathy and compassion. So now, how can we start to practice gratitude? Well, there are so many things you can do, but the first thing I want you to do is आप ये जानो कि आप किन चीज़ों के लिए थैंकफुल हो and be aware about it. Like in my case, I'm grateful for the healthy food I'm eating, for all the love I'm receiving from my family, friends and you guys. हम usually इन चीज़ों को for granted लेते हैं, right? कि यार इसमें क्या है, ये सब चीज़ें तो काफ़ी नॉर्मल है, सबके पास होती हैं. But my friend, remember that something that is normal to you can be really fascinating or dreamlike to others. So now let's talk about the 4 methods of expressing gratitude. You can use any one of them. Number 1 is gratitude journal. Make a journal and write about 2 to 3 things you are grateful for today. Journaling can be done either in the morning or at night whenever you are comfortable, and think about why these things matters to you. You can use a physical journal or your digital notes app in your mobile phone. Number 2, share gratitude with others. Always say thank you to someone you really appreciate. इससे हमारे relations काफ़ी अच्छे और strong बन जाते हैं. It could be a simple appreciation text, your kind words, or you can also give them a small gift. Number 3 is meditation. It plays a very crucial role in expressing gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath and think about all the good things in your life. It could be something big or small because it will help you to keep your focus on the positive side of your life. Also, जब आप meditation start करोगे though you might not be able to focus properly. So start by 1 to 2 minutes of practice, and by slow practicing, after some time you'll be able to focus more. Number 4 is gratitude rituals. This one is my personal favorite because it's easy to practice. You can create a daily or weekly routine when you express gratitude. It could be at your dinner time or in your morning routine, when you just sit down and express thanks to the God or to the universe for everything you have with yourself. Now here comes the most interesting part of the video. But before getting on it, make sure to subscribe this channel if you found my videos helpful. So जब भी हम gratitude की बात करते हैं तो there are so many misconceptions जिन पे लोग बहुत ज़्यादा believe करते हैं. So let me share a few of them so that आप किसी गलतफहमी में ना रहो. Number 1 is gratitude is only for good and big things. कुछ लोगों को ये लगता है कि gratitude हमें सिर्फ हमारे बड़े achievements के लिए एक्सप्रेस करना चाहिए, like जब हमारी जॉब लग जाए या जब हमारे अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए. But that's not true. However, gratitude can be expressed for small and everyday things like a good cup of the coffee in the morning, a beautiful sunset from your balcony, or a supportive friend who listens to you. Focusing on small things can help you cultivate a habit of appreciating the little happy and joyful movement of your life. Number 2 is gratitude means ignoring problems. अब gratitude का मतलब ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता कि हम अपने problems, challenges और difficulties को ignore करते हैं. It means acknowledging the good things in your life while still working on solving your problems. And it can really help you to build resilience during tough times, so you can focus on your strength and support systems. Number 3 is gratitude means being satisfied with what you have. ये एक काफ़ी बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है कि gratitude express करने का मतलब हमारे पास जो कुछ भी है हम उसमें ही satisfied है और हमारी और कोई desires नहीं. Well, it's a very simple thing to understand that gratitude means appreciating what you have with yourself while still working on towards your goals and aspirations. It doesn't bound you to be content or satisfied with what you have, and you can't strive for more. And it can really help you to cultivate a growing mindset and appreciation for learning and self-improvement. So these were the most common misconceptions that people usually had in their mind whenever they hear expressing gratitude. So at the end of this video, I just wanna say that expressing gratitude is a simple yet powerful practice that can really transform our lives. By understanding the science behind it, recognizing its benefits, and including it into our daily life, we can become more happier, healthier, and more resilient. Also remember that gratitude is like a muscle that needs to be exercised regularly to see the results. So start practicing today and see the positive impact it can have on your life. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Share it with your friends and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep improving.